Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin election day. Don't be fooled. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at Bitcoin on election day. Don't get fooled. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love to see all of the charts from today. Also, join the OG Crypto and Bitcoin YouTube channel by subscribing, making daily videos for over 7 years. Now, today, fear and greed at 70. Sideways for the past week. The market down 2%, Bitcoin at 68,795, Ethereum at 2436, and BNB at 559. Now, Bitcoin finding support on both the 21 EMA and also the, I would say, the peak of this volume profile graph, which has also been some resistance historically for Bitcoin. And it is sitting there for some big events that are happening in the next 24 hours-ish. A lot of people are looking forward to this event. Now, some people are predicting, hey, if it goes one way, Bitcoin will go down. If it goes the other way, Bitcoin will go up. And they may be right. If we take a look, when Trump was elected, we got the biggest Bitcoin bull market and the shortest bear market ever. But when Biden-Harris was elected, we got the smallest bull market and the longest bear market ever. So they might have a little bit of a point there. But despite which way it goes in, I would say, the short period, the days following the last 3 presidential elections were volatile for Bitcoin, but the overall trend has stayed upwards. That's right, diagonal right to left going up. And the coolest thing, which may be reason enough to buy some Bitcoin soon, is that every US election week sets a new low for Bitcoin that never dips back down to. Think about that for a minute. Back here in 2012, what was it? Was that 2012? I don't know. We'll start at this one. 2020, the bottom was 13,220. Price never went that low. Then 2016, the bottom was 683, never went that low again. Then the bottom was $10. That was in 2012. Never went that low again. So this time, might $69,000 be the market low? We can only hope, because it's such a cool number. There is the possibility, though, that the price could tumble. And a lot of bears want to tell you absolutely 100% it is going to tumble. And it would be brutal for sure, but certainly wouldn't damage the market structure in the way most people think it would. In a pullback to sub $50,000, it would just be a proper test of the 4th subwave of the prior impulse, which is perfectly healthy in terms of pullback depth. The major macro 4th green had a deeper pullback than that without invalidating the structure, this one right here. So, wouldn't even mean anything if the price went down to $50,000 and then came back from there. But we're starting to see some signs of market strength. If Bitcoin manages to close positive tomorrow, we're looking at the first daily divergence since July. Look at that. Price going up, RSI going down. That would be a bullish divergence, first one since July. Also, if we compare Bitcoin chart with the gold chart, they do look very, very similar in terms of market structure. And after breaking out through the consolidation period where Bitcoin is sitting in now, look at what gold did. And look at what Bitcoin has yet to do. Could be just following it, par for the course, happening once again. The TD sequential has been spot on with Bitcoin trends on the 12-hour chart, telling when to buy and when to sell. And most recently, it is showing a buy signal on the 12-hour chart, suggesting might be a decent time to get in at a discount, because when you take a look at longer time frames, this is a monthly chart for Bitcoin. Look at this. The trend, the resistance trend has been broken through. Generally, when trends get broken, price goes up. I mean, take a look at some of these trends that I've drawn here. When they get broken, price goes up. So all of these things suggest that the price is going to continue going up for a very long time. As a matter of fact, the last time this Bitcoin buy signal pumped, which is a tapping on a positive MACD direction, well, the last time that happened, we had 163% gains. Should we see the same thing? That would be nearly I don't know, $200,000 Bitcoin, something like that. And the coolest thing is that despite Bitcoin being close to all-time highs in terms of price, the retail interest, which is the amount of people who Google the search term Bitcoin, remains at bear market lows. Nobody is yet on board for Bitcoin, it seems, which means it could go up a lot higher, especially when you consider this inverse head and shoulders suggesting a measured price move to roughly $220,000 per Bitcoin. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. Enjoy your election day, and let's go Bitcoin. Catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.